In this video, I'm gonna show you how to adjust who can send you a group message request in Instagram. First, you wanna click at the top right, and then you wanna go down, and then you wanna click messages and story replies. So here you'll scroll down more, and you'll see message requests. Click on that. Here you can see who can send you group message requests. So if you choose everyone, then that means everyone can do it. If you choose people you follow, that means only people you follow can send you the group message requests. Note that it says here people you follow or have chatted with before can always add you to group chats unless you block them. And that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe.